Alright, just like that, we're back. Alright, let's get straight to it. Silver! Fucking silver! Trading at, as of right now, I believe today is the 26th, and I believe it is the 26th, the day after Christmas. First of all, I hope you guys had a good Christmas. I got my trees still there, my Rottweilers got their presents. They're enjoying it right now as we speak. And you know what? I'm enjoying the holidays. I ate a lot of fucking food. I went to the gym. I burned 450 calories, 18 at 3.5 speed, then 4 speed. So I can eat a lot of food, okay? But that's not nor here or there. Silver is going insane right now. It is ridiculous. Right now is at approximately $72.15 per ounce. But what I really want to take a look at... Whoa, what is this? This up here. What I really want to look at is the 100-year historical chart. Values that we haven't seen with silver. And, dude, all-time highs, right? Values that we haven't seen in years and years and years. Okay? What you should not do is, like everyone else, FOMO, fear of missing out, so you buy silver futures or you just buy at these all-time high prices. That is not what you want to do. You missed out. I missed out as well, but I'm not going to sit here and buy in. If I want you to learn something from me, it's this. You never buy at all-time high prices. At least for this right now. Now, it's different. Say Nvidia hit, you go 2 decades and it was at $2.30, but the year before it was at 90 cents. It's not that you don't, I'm not telling you to buy it all the time. You just got to take a look into this. This is precious metals, okay? Silver has a history. Now, this history, if we look at the historical charts, today, I think it was just an 11% increase. What an upswing, an uptrend, momentum, meaning people are buying, and buying. People are scared. When people invest in these precious metals, gold, copper, platinum, silver, it's because there's a lot of fear, uncertainty, and doubt. So they put their money in these gold and these precious metals. Hold on. I'm sorry, buddy, but you're going to have to hear me talk about silver. They put their money in these precious metals because it's intrinsic value and it holds value. Since gold stands it's battle, what is it? War tested. War tested. It's war tested. I don't like Bitcoin. It's war tested. Hold on. I got to play COD too, man. I keep forgetting I'm playing COD. What is the fucking, it's on the tip of my tongue. It's time tested, I guess, for years and years, hundreds of years. Gold has held its value. It's what people give value, and it's gold. As well as with silver. People put their money in that. They put their money in that. They pull it out from Bitcoin, cryptocurrency, the stock market, and they put it into gold, silver, precious metals, because they're scared. Okay? Now, I don't know if this is an indicator or not about, the future of the U.S. economy and the stock market and etc. Really, hold on. Watch this shit. Hard scoping, bam! That's what the fuck I'm talking about. But, we're seeing such an inflow in precious metals. I think some people like to say that's an indicator for a little bit of a correction or a reset. If that's the case, I recommend that you sit on as much cash as you can. I tell you this, don't FOMO and buy into silver. Because you missed it. You missed it. Okay? If you position yourself a year ago and we're slowly increasing your portfolio or your percentages of your portfolio into silver, I tell you, boom, perfect. But what I would do if I was big into silver and precious metals is I'm looking to sell. These are all-time high prices, guys. These are all-time high prices. And why you're in gold, why you're in silver, why you're in crypto, why you're in the stock market, why you're buying Nvidia, it's not just because it holds intrinsic value or there is value with the stock or the gold, but it's to bag profits. I try getting this across. You want to bag profits at all-time high prices. I am looking to sell and get rid of it. Okay? Now, people are buying silver. Okay, you go to businesses, jewelers, etc. They're buying silver. But, since let's say it's at 72.30, they're not buying at 71. They got to make some money because, say, in a day it increased 11%. The next day, it could drop 11%, so they got to make some money. So they're probably going to buy around 63, 62 in preparation for that. But I'd still sell. I'd still sell. Usually with silver, what we've seen on the historical charts, these are charts from hundreds of years ago. 100, 150, etc. is very rarely does silver spike like it did today. And you see some correction. Silver's very volatile right now. Oh, sit down, pussy. Excuse me. But it's very volatile. And so, what I urge you not to do... I should have hit that, man. What I urge you not to do... I'm killing this dude with my sniper. I don't give a shit. Sit down. Fucking dog. What I encourage you to do is, if you're holding silver, sell it. It's all-time high prices. You can't be mad at that. I urge you not to be the type of person that's like, it's at $70. I'm gonna wait till it gets 75. I'm gonna wait till it gets 70. No, sell it. Make your profit. That's what it's about. Okay? Growing wealth. Capitalizing on opportunities. I missed this opportunity. I'm not gonna sit here and buy back in. Capitalize on it. Sell. And if you're like me, and you're not invested in gold or silver, I am not buying. Don't buy at these all-time high prices. Very risky. Very risky. Because, like I always say, humans are creatures of pattern, and they think because this happened, this will happen. Because it's all-time high prices, it means it can't go any higher. Or it can't go any lower, etc. You know, humans are... Hold on. It's just a lot to focus on. Humans are creatures of pattern. Okay, that's the psychology. And right now, what's going on in London is they're manipulating silver. And so I believe they're selling it 10% under market for what it is. And people are going and buying that silver, and they're selling it in markets where they're charging right now what the price is. And so what do you think is happening? What do you think people are going to do? They're going to buy that silver where they can get it for 10% under its value, and they're going to sell it to the regular markets that are charging at market price. This is some manipulation. People are seeing, or they're saying there's a lot of manipulation right now going on with silver, so it's very bullshit. Not risky, but just be cautious, okay? Because I believe, and this is my opinion, this isn't financial advice, what goes up must come down. And I know I just said psychology, you know, people think it's pattern and pattern and pattern. I could be wrong. It could double. I highly doubt it could double. But this could not be the end of the rally. It's ridiculous right now what's going on. Oh, hold on. Bullshit! Bullshit! Sit down, buddy. Camping. I hate fucking... Don't be like this guy, camper. This is the guy that missed out. That camper's the guy that missed out on silver and bought at all-time high prices. Don't be that guy. Sorry, I'm all over the place. Come on. What's going on? Okay? Hold on. My game is... What is going on? You see this shit? What the fuck is going on? Fucking moving all over the fucking place. I didn't throw no fucking grenade. I'm gonna pause this here. Okay, that's silver futures. Gold is at 4,500. 4,433 as we speak right now. As of December 6, 10/18. Yes, just in a day. 11% increase in a day, bro. We got a lot of people coming in, investing in silver. Precious metals is up a ridiculous amount. People are scared. So they put their money in precious metals that hold intrinsic value. Don't FOMO. I leave you with this. Don't FOMO. You missed out on an opportunity. You missed out on an opportunity. The good news is, you're always looking for opportunities. You will find opportunities to make good, proper investments. Don't be scared. Scared money don't make money. But at the same time, be professional. Be an elitist. Don't go in full port, meaning you dump 100% of everything you have into that. Small percentages. Maybe 20% into precious metals. Maybe 10%. Whatever it is. Diversify your portfolio. If you're holding silver or gold, what I would do is I would sell. These are all-time high prices. I sell and I capitalize. I'll be buying back cheaper. Okay? But people like having their investments in hand. A lot of people do. And that's what that is. They have gold in their hand. 1 ounce. One bar, a pound. If you got, that's a lot of money in gold. 1 pound of gold in your hand, or coins, or whatever. They like having it in hand. So, again, I say, don't FOMO. I see a lot of rookie. Hold on, I gotta hit this. Damn, man. A lot of rookies. They because of the fear of missing out and invest, and you're buying at all-time high prices. I hope you realize that. Hope you realize that. And sell if you're holding silver. Sell at these beautiful prices that come once in a while. It's a crazy world out there. I'll leave you guys with this. You gotta hold on, I'm gonna kill this guy. Watch this. I didn't kill him? Ah, fucking bullshit. I helped your ass. Capitalize, alright? Be a smart investor, not a stupid investor. Think, would a stupid guy do this? I had a good day today. Hey, what you doing? Had a good day today. It's good Christmas. Enjoy your holidays. I think as of right now, I think I'm at 102% ROI on the year. The investments I made. I had a phenomenal year. Me and my Rottweilers. Ella, look. Me and my Rottweilers had a good year. Had a lot of opportunities and was a good stepping stone in my life. I'll say that much. Invest cautiously. Be careful. I'm out of the markets. I'm staying out. I'm enjoying my holidays. I'm gonna sleep like a baby. Be careful out there. Be a smart guy, not a stupid guy. I emphasize that, alright? God bless. And good luck. It's crazy out here. Fuck. Fucking. Have fun. Good luck. Alright, God bless. Godspeed.